Dr. Huebner, I am here with Kinyet, and Kinyet is here 1 year after her procedure with us at Natural Transplants, and she is smiles ear to ear, and look at the results. I mean, the results speak for themselves. I'm going to put some before pictures over here on the left. So, Kinyet, what do you think of your result? Tell me about the process in terms of it coming back, and how has it changed your life?
Okay. I remember when I made the decision to come in, I sat with Jerry. We had great conversation, and I'm thinking, I'm going to do this. Because it's just one of those things, you know, and I said, okay, I'm going to do it. I had the procedure. We shaved the front of my head, of course, which I thought would be a lot harder than it was. I was able to actually wear it as if it was like a hairstyle. So that really shocked me because it was more enjoyable than I thought. So that was also something that was delightful for me because I bought a bunch of headbands and everything, thinking I would have to hide my hair, and that wasn't the case. When it started growing back, the texture was a little different originally. Not what I expected because I guess the rest of my hair was trained a certain way.
Right.
This was very raw. So I would condition it a lot more, and that helped. I would put a lot of oils and creams and stuff like that, and the waves and the curls started coming back. And now I could literally do a high pony, a low pony. I could do everything that I couldn't do before.
Awesome. Awesome.
I literally have instant amnesia because when I saw the before pictures, I couldn't believe that was me. When you just showed them to me 5 minutes ago, I could not believe that was me.
Yeah.
As if I'd had this all along. Wow.
Yes, I'm so happy for you. Let's have you model your hair a little bit. Pull it back in a ponytail or pull it back and kind of show off your sides, your edges.
Yes.
There is no way she would ever have been able to do that before. Obviously, from the pictures, you can see. Look how natural it looks. It does not look like a transplant. It looks like natural hair, nice staggered edges, single hairs all the way around.
Yes, this is a dream come true.
You're one of our rock stars.
Everybody who's thinking about doing this, do it. It's worth it. You're worth it. Everything. The recovery is not as bad as you think. This is worth it. The best decision I've ever made. I promise you this.
You said it's not about this anymore. It's more about this, right? So, right. It's an attitude. Right.
Yes, you feel whole. You don't have the everyday handicaps of how would I brush my hair? Well, I can't wear that. Or it's certain things that like you gain back. You just have it all back. Like I can throw my hair in a ponytail for a run. I can go for a jog like that. Before I couldn't.
Amazing. Kinyet, thank you so much for showing off your results, and I'm so happy for you. Thanks again and for paying it forward. This is going to help somebody in their process, so appreciate it.
So.
All right. Take care. Thank you so much. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.